Orimi Mojubareo. My head, I pay homage to you. Ori, the silent guide, the one that walks with me without speaking, the unseen force that shapes my journey. Ori, you are my destiny keeper, the crown no one can remove, the king that sits quietly on my shoulders. When I rise, it is you that lifts me. When I fall, it is you that calls me back. Orimi, you never abandon me. Orimi má jẹ́ kí sí ire. Oh, bad destiny, do not lead me astray. Oriri, baby God, good destiny, lift me high. You are my protector in the day, my guardian in the night. The voice within that shows me the way, no matter how far I go, no matter where life takes me. Orimi, stand with me till the end. Orimi, my guide, my strength, my life. I honor you, I respect you, I follow you. Orimi Mojubareo.